Imagine an intelligence so distinct, so profoundly different from our own, that it might as well be from another planet. This isn't science fiction. This creature exists right here on Earth, beneath the waves of our oceans. It's the octopus. With its fluid form, mesmerizing eyes, and an intellect that continues to baffle scientists, the octopus embodies a truly unique branch on the tree of life. It challenges our understanding of what it means to be intelligent, and how life can evolve in extraordinary ways. The octopus belongs to a group of marine animals called cephalopods. The word cephalopod of itself tells us a lot, breaking down into cephalos meaning head, and poda meaning foot. This describes their unique body plan. Their arms and tentacles grow directly from their head. This lineage is ancient, with fossil records stretching back over 500 million years. They are mollusks, relatives of snails and clams, but they took an evolutionary path that led to unparalleled complexity and active predation. One of the most striking features of an octopus is what it lacks: bones. Unlike fish, birds, or mammals, octopuses are invertebrates, meaning they have no internal skeleton. Instead, their bodies are supported by a hydrostatic skeleton. This is essentially a fluid-filled cavity surrounded by muscle, allowing them incredible flexibility. Imagine a water balloon. It can be squeezed into almost any shape. This boneless body allows an octopus to squeeze through openings far smaller than its apparent size, a crucial adaptation for hunting and escaping predators. A common misconception is that octopuses have tentacles. In fact, they have 8 arms. What's the difference? Octopus arms are covered in suckers along their entire length and are primarily used for crawling, grasping, and manipulating objects. Tentacles, on the other hand, are typically longer, often have suckers only at their tips, and are primarily used for striking and capturing prey, as seen in squid and cuttlefish. The octopus's 8 prehensile arms are incredibly versatile tools, allowing for complex interactions with their environment. Each of an octopus's suckers is an independent sensory organ, a marvel of biological engineering. They contain chemoreceptors, which are essentially taste and smell receptors. This means an octopus can taste to and smell anything it touches with its arms. Imagine being able to explore your world not just by sight and touch, but by tasting and smelling the texture of every surface. This ability gives them an incredible advantage in hunting, foraging for food hidden in cracks, and navigating their complex marine habitats. Deep within the center of its 8 arms, an octopus possesses a sharp, powerful beak, much like that of a parrot. This formidable tool is made of chitin, the same tough material found in insect exoskeletons. The beak is used to bite into prey, such as crabs and shellfish, effectively crushing shells and tearing flesh. Inside the beak, octopuses also have a vula, a ribbon-like structure covered in tiny teeth, which helps to rasp and scrape food into its mouth. It's a highly efficient feeding apparatus for a formidable predator. The main body of the octopus, above its arms, is called the mantle. This muscular, bag-like structure houses most of its vital organs, including the gills, digestive system, and reproductive organs. The mantle plays a crucial role in respiration and locomotion. Water is drawn into the mantle cavity over the gills for oxygen exchange, and then forcefully expelled through a siphon for jet propulsion. This powerful musculature allows for rapid escapes and bursts of speed, essential for a predator and prey animal. Perhaps one of the most astonishing biological features of an octopus is its circulatory system, powered by not 1, but 3 hearts. 2 of these are called branchial hearts, and their job is to pump blood through the gills, where it picks up oxygen. The third, larger heart, called the systemic heart, then circulates this oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. This tri-heart system ensures efficient oxygen delivery, vital for a highly active marine predator that requires a lot of energy. Adding to the octopus's alien mystique is the color of its blood. It's blue. Unlike vertebrates, which use hemoglobin-containing iron to transport oxygen and make blood red, octopuses use a copper-based protein called hemocyanin. Hemocyanin is more efficient at transporting oxygen in cold, low-oxygen environments, such as those found in deep-sea habitats. This unique adaptation allows them to thrive in conditions where many other creatures would struggle, further highlighting their specialized evolutionary path. When we think of intelligence, we usually picture a centralized brain. The octopus, however, takes a different approach. While it has a central brain encased in a cartilaginous skull, about 2/3 of its neurons are actually located in its arms. Each arm can operate semi-autonomously, making decisions and reacting to stimuli without direct input from the central brain. This distributed nervous system allows for incredible multitasking and adaptability, essentially giving each arm a mind of its own. The octopus's intelligence isn't just about its unique neurology, it's about what it can do with it. Octopuses are renowned problem solvers. They can unscrew jars to get at food, navigate complex mazes, and even use tools. In experiments, they have been observed to learn from observation and remember solutions to problems for extended periods. This level of cognitive ability is extraordinary for an invertebrate, placing them in a league often associated with much more complex vertebrate animals. An octopus's eyes are surprisingly sophisticated, remarkably similar in structure to human eyes, complete with an iris, lens, and retina. This is a classic example of convergent evolution, where different species evolve similar traits independently. However, there's a key difference: octopuses are believed to be colorblind. Despite this, their unique pupil shape and ability to rapidly change their skin pattern suggest they perceive light in ways we don't fully understand, potentially by detecting polarized light. One of the octopus's most visually stunning abilities is its mastery of camouflage. This is achieved through specialized pigment-containing cells called chromatophores. These cells can be expanded or contracted by muscles, allowing the octopus to change its skin color and pattern almost instantly. It's not just about blending in, it's about communication, display, and dazzling deception. They can match the texture of rocks, sand, or even mimic other animals, making them virtually invisible. But octopus camouflage goes beyond simple color changes. They also possess iridophores and leucophores. Iridophores are reflective cells that create iridescent greens, blues, silvers, and golds, giving their skin a metallic sheen. Leucophores scatter light, allowing them to appear white and enhancing their ability to perfectly match the brightness of their surroundings. Combined with chromatophores, these cells allow for an unparalleled ability to disappear, or to put on a breathtaking display of color and texture. Some species, like the famous mimic octopus, take camouflage and deception to an even higher level: mimicry. This incredible creature can impersonate a variety of other venomous or dangerous animals, such as lionfish, sea snakes, or flatfish, to deter predators. It doesn't just change color, it changes its body shape, movement, and behavior to convincingly pretend to be something else. This sophisticated behavioral adaptation is a testament to their advanced cognitive abilities and survival instincts. Octopuses have several modes of locomotion, but perhaps the most dramatic is jet propulsion. By rapidly expelling water from their mantle cavity through a muscular funnel called a siphon, they can shoot backwards through the water at surprising speeds. This is primarily used for rapid escapes from predators or quick bursts to catch prey. It's a highly efficient, though energy-intensive, way to move, showcasing their adaptability to different situations in their dynamic environment. While jet propulsion is for speed, most octopus movement is a more deliberate, graceful crawl along the seafloor. They use their powerful suckered arms to pull themselves along, often exploring every nook and cranny. Their boneless bodies allow them to flow over irregular terrain, through tight spaces, and even to walk on two arms, mimicking seaweed. This blend of crawling and jetting makes them incredibly versatile and effective hunters and explorers of their marine world. When faced with a threat, many octopuses employ a classic defense mechanism: squirting a cloud of dark ink. This ink, made of melanin, serves multiple purposes. It creates a visual screen, disorienting predators and allowing the octopus to make a quick escape. Some research suggests the ink also contains compounds that irritate a predator's senses, acting as a chemical deterrent. It's a quick, effective, and often beautiful display of survival in action. While most octopuses are harmless to humans, nearly all species are venomous, though their venom is typically only effective against their prey. However, a few species, most notably the beautiful but deadly blue-ringed octopus, possess venom that can be lethal to humans. This potent neurotoxin, called tetrodotoxin, is produced by bacteria living within the octopus. It serves as a powerful reminder that even the most seemingly gentle marine creatures can hold surprising and dangerous secrets. Despite their incredible intelligence and complex biology, most octopuses have surprisingly short lifespans, typically ranging from just 1 to 5 years, depending on the species. This short existence is often attributed to their reproductive strategy, known as semelparity. This means they have only one major reproductive event in their lifetime, after which they typically senesce and die. It's a life lived fast and intensely, culminating in the ultimate sacrifice for the next generation. Reproduction in octopuses is a fascinating and often delicate affair. Male octopuses possess a specialized arm called the hectocotylus. This arm is modified to transfer packets of sperm, called spermatophores, into the female's mantle cavity. In some species, the male actually detaches this arm and leaves it with the female, who stores the sperm until she is ready to lay her eggs. It's a unique and sometimes dramatic method of ensuring fertilization, highlighting the diverse strategies in the animal kingdom. After mating, the female octopus finds a secluded den to lay her thousands of eggs. What follows is one of the most poignant acts of parental care in the animal kingdom. The mother will meticulously clean and aerate her eggs for weeks or even months, never leaving their side to hunt or feed herself. She dedicates her entire remaining life force to ensuring the survival of her offspring. By the time the eggs hatch, the mother is often severely weakened, eventually succumbing to exhaustion. When the tiny eggs finally hatch, miniature versions of adult octopuses emerge. These paralarvae, as they are called, often spend their initial days or weeks drifting in the plankton, vulnerable to predators. Gradually, they grow, developing their full set of adult capabilities, including their intelligence, camouflage, and hunting instincts. Their journey from microscopic egg to fully formed, highly intelligent predator is a rapid and perilous one, showcasing nature's relentless drive for life. Here's another truly bizarre fact about octopus anatomy: their esophagus, the tube connecting their mouth to their stomach, passes directly through the center of their donut-shaped brain. This means anything they eat must literally pass through their brain. This unique arrangement is why octopuses must carefully chew and break down their food with their beak and uvula before swallowing, to avoid damaging their vital neural tissue. It's a design flaw, perhaps, but one they've ingeniously adapted to. Beyond their impressive problem-solving, octopuses exhibit both short-term and long-term memory. Experiments have shown them capable of remembering individual human researchers, distinguishing between them based on visual cues. They can remember solutions to complex tasks for weeks or even months. This sophisticated memory, combined with their learning capacity, contributes significantly to their adaptability and success as hunters, allowing them to refine strategies and avoid past dangers. We touched on tool use earlier, but it's worth re-emphasizing as it's a hallmark of advanced cognition. Octopuses have been observed using coconut shells as portable shelters, piling up rocks to fortify their dens, and even using discarded human objects. This isn't just instinct, it's an understanding of cause and effect, and the application of objects to solve problems. Such behavior forces us to reconsider the boundaries of intelligence, especially in invertebrates, prompting further study and appreciation. Octopuses inhabit a vast range of marine environments across the globe, from the shallow coral reefs to the crushing depths of the abyss, and from tropical waters to polar seas. There are over 300 known species, each with unique adaptations suited to its specific habitat. This incredible diversity highlights their evolutionary success and adaptability, showcasing how a fundamentally unique body plan can be fine-tuned to thrive in nearly every corner of our planet's oceans. Beyond survival and reproduction, there's growing evidence that octopuses engage in what appears to be play. They have been observed repeatedly pushing objects, directing jets of water at toys, or manipulating items in ways that seem to have no direct adaptive benefit. This behavior, often seen in highly intelligent mammals, suggests a level of cognitive complexity that allows for exploration, curiosity, and perhaps even enjoyment. It further blurs the line between invertebrate and vertebrate intelligence. Just like humans and other complex animals, individual octopuses exhibit distinct personalities. Some are bold and curious, readily interacting with their environment and researchers. Others are shy and reclusive, preferring to stay hidden. This variation in temperament is another fascinating indicator of their sophisticated minds. It suggests a level of individual decision-making and response to their world that goes beyond simple program behaviors, making each octopus a unique being. Despite their incredible adaptability, octopuses face numerous threats, primarily from human activities. Overfishing, habitat destruction, and ocean pollution are significant concerns. As we learn more about these astonishing creatures, our responsibility to protect them grows. Sustainable fishing practices, marine protected areas, and efforts to reduce plastic pollution are crucial for ensuring that these aliens of the sea continue to thrive and inspire future generations. The octopus continues to be a subject of intense scientific fascination and research. From neurobiology to cognitive science, embryology to ecology, these creatures offer unparalleled insights into alternative evolutionary paths to intelligence. Each new discovery deepens our appreciation for their complex lives and challenges our anthropocentric views of consciousness. They truly are living laboratories, constantly revealing new wonders about life itself. Throughout this journey, we've repeatedly used the word Lalien to describe the octopus. It's not hyperbole. With 3 hearts, blue blood, a brain that wraps around its esophagus, and arms that think for themselves, their biology is fundamentally different from our own vertebrate blueprint. They are a stark reminder that evolution isn't bound by a single path and that Earth itself harbors life forms that are as wondrously strange and intelligent as anything we might imagine from outer space. Our fascination with octopuses is ancient, appearing in myths and legends across cultures. Today, that fascination is rooted in scientific wonder. The more we learn about them, the more questions arise. How do they see without color? How does a distributed brain achieve such complex behavior? Their existence challenges us to expand our understanding of what intelligence is, where it can be found, and how it can manifest in utterly unexpected ways. They remain an endless source of awe and inspiration. The octopus is a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution. It is a creature that has honed a unique set of biological tools and cognitive abilities to thrive in a competitive marine world. From its fleeting, intense life cycle to its unparalleled mastery of disguise and problem-solving, every aspect of its biology is a marvel. It truly is one of Earth's most extraordinary inhabitants, a living enigma that continues to inspire wonder and push the boundaries of our understanding. As we conclude our dive into the insane biology of the octopus, we hope you've gained a new appreciation for these incredible creatures. They remind us that the most astonishing wonders are often found not in distant galaxies, but right here in the depths of our own planet. Let's continue to explore, protect, and be inspired by the unfathomable diversity of life that calls Earth home. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.